Some people earn six figures and still struggle. You're not broke because you don't earn enough. The real problem is hidden behavior. Silent habits control your financial life. Today, we reveal the habits most people never notice. 7 silent money habits keeping you broke. This is not about intelligence or about how hard you work. Many smart people struggle financially because most people were never taught how wealth actually works. They were taught survival. Earn money, pay bills, repeat. Year after year. These patterns become automatic. And survival habits keep you busy, but not wealthy. The first silent habit keeping people broke: spending to feel successful. We buy things to signal progress: a better car, a nicer place, more upgrades. This feels like success, but it quietly delays real wealth. Wealth builders increase assets first. Lifestyle comes later. The second silent habit keeping people broke: never thinking about ownership. Most people focus on what they can buy. Few think about what they can own. Ownership requires responsibility, decisions, risk, patience, so most people avoid it. But without ownership, wealth never compounds. They rent everything, they finance everything, they build nothing. Wealth builders think differently. They ask, what can I own? Not just what can I afford? And the third habit is even more common. The third silent habit keeping people broke: lifestyle inflation. The moment income rises, expenses rise with it. Better car, better place, more upgrades. The raise disappears. The pressure increases. This feels like progress, but it locks you into higher obligations. Wealth builders increase assets first. Lifestyle comes later. And the fourth habit is even more dangerous. The fourth silent habit keeping people broke: having no financial system. Money comes in, bills go out, and everything happens reactively. No plan, no direction, just constant reaction. When money has no structure, it has no purpose. Wealth builders design systems. They decide where money goes before it arrives. And the fifth habit quietly limits how much you can ever earn. The fifth silent habit keeping people broke: trading time for everything. If every dollar requires your time, your income always has a limit. There are only so many hours in a day. More effort doesn't always create more wealth. Wealth begins when income continues, even when you stop working. Ownership creates leverage. Time alone does not. And the sixth habit is something almost everyone struggles with. The sixth silent habit keeping people broke: avoiding financial reality. Many people don't track their money. They don't check the numbers. They simply hope things improve. Because facing reality feels uncomfortable, but ignoring it makes the problem grow. What you don't measure, you can't improve. Wealth builders face the numbers. They measure everything. Clarity creates control. Control creates wealth. And the final habit may be the most powerful of all. The seventh and most powerful habit keeping people broke is how they see themselves. If you don't see yourself as someone who builds wealth, you won't act like someone who builds wealth. Your identity shapes your decisions. Your decisions shape your future. People who believe they are always struggling continue struggling. Wealth builders think differently. They see themselves as owners, builders, long-term thinkers. Wealth begins the moment your identity changes. These habits are invisible, but once you see them, you can change them. Wealth is not luck, it is behavior. If you want to rebuild your financial life from the ground up, subscribe to Second Chance Wealth. Next, we'll talk about why hardworking people still fail to build wealth.